Hey guys, so today we're going to make oxtail and broad beans. First, we're going to wash and trim the excess fat from the meat. Then we add half a bottle of Grace Oxtail marinade and allow to marinate overnight. Now here's a pro tip.
Marinate your oxtail for a longer time for an even greater flavor and more tender meat.
Now the next day, when we're ready to cook, we're going to remove seasonings from the oxtail and add it to the pot and brown on all sides. Now here's another pro tip.
Slow cooking meats like oxtail gives you a richer, more tasty gravy than pressure cooking.
We're going to add enough water to come 1 inch above the oxtail in the pot. Then cover and allow to pressure cook. Finally, we're going to add broad beans to the pot and then salt and pepper to taste. And then we're going to stir and cover the pot and cook for another 15 minutes, after which you'll have tasty oxtail and broad beans.